they're not gonna forget you with this one. It's not that I don't want you here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey. Y'all, before we jump into this unit, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, because what are you waiting for? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so it can get put in a nice little algorithm. Also, comment down below, let me know how I did on this unit. But let's go ahead and jump into this unit. Let's talk about this unit, y'all. It is something about the color. It's something about the color for me, and it is a 360 lace unit. It has lace around the whole entire perimeter. I did not do anything to the lace in the back because there's no one here to help me, so we're just gonna do like a regular smuggler old install. When I tell you I'm getting good with these installs, whew, child, I am getting good. You hear me? Good. I'm getting good. This unit is from my friends at Black Hairspray. Shout out to them. And it is Outre, however you want to pronounce it, that's what it is. This is the stock card. And it is Velora. And it is Diara Ginger Brown. It is a 13 by 6 lace. It's pretty much like, it's almost a free parting space. You cannot part it like all the way to the side. It's just like a U-shaped lace, but that's fine because I was gonna pull it up in a ponytail, but I said no, I'm just gonna let these curls fall and let them do what they do, okay? I love this unit. It is a synthetic unit, so obviously you are gonna get some tangling, but at the moment, I'm not getting very much tangles, okay? I'm looking more like, what's that, Roger Rabbit character? The lady. I'm not a big movie person, but that's what I'm getting. Jessica Roberts, Rabbit, something. I don't know. Y'all comment it down below. But that's what I'm getting. It does come in a few more colors. These are the additional colors that it comes in. I think all of these colors are super cute. I love it. Like, I don't have any complaints about this unit at all. And I love the fact that I just swooped it over, you know, to give myself some bangs or whatever. Cute. This is the box that it came in. It is a pretty long box, like in the back of the box. If you don't know how to install your unit, baby, they will tell you how to do it, okay? I thought the inside of the box was pretty cute too. It has the care guide in here to how to take care of the unit. So it is a 100% human hair blend, a 360 frontal lace and a 13 by 6 hand tied lace frontal, baby. Zero complaints out of this unit, okay? Zero, not a 1, not a 2, nor the 3. Baby, this is it, okay? It did have baby hairs already, so all I did was just pull them out and, you know, did a little swoopy swoop thing on them. So this is how long the unit is. You know, it has a few longer pieces. This is the unit in the back. It has pretty long. I would say this unit is maybe like a 20-inch or a 22. Not too sure, but I love the curls. You know, you can also, you know, finger comb them a little bit to give it a little bit more volume, but I'm not gonna finger comb it too much at the moment, because when I do wear it, I don't know where I'm gonna wear this thing to, but honey, it's gonna turn heads. It'll turn them heads, yes it will. I love it. Thank you so much to Black Hairspray for sending me this unit. And thank you, Outre, whatever, however y'all pronounce y'all name. Thank you for making a bomb unit like this because it's giving. It is very much fall. It's very much fall. I love it. Tell me you don't love it. Tell me I don't like how it was real poofy right here, so I don't know, maybe I can just push them to the side or something like that. But it's pretty short on the top, but it's okay. It's giving. It's gonna do what it's supposed to do. It was a super very easy to install unit, and I love the fact that it had the baby hairs in it already, so all I had to do was just swoop them and lay them. I did lay my baby hairs with a little bit of hairspray. I tried the Arrogante. I did the gel on this side and then the Arrogante method on this side. I still kind of like the gel just so it can be a little bit more secure, but it's not too bad with the Arrogante. Just spraying it with a little bit of hairspray on the brush and just laying it. It's still laid, but you know, I want mine laid, so it's still cute. Tell me how you like this. I'm just learning how to install this unit, and baby, when I tell you I'm getting finer by the day, baby. When I say finer, I mean finer with melting this lace by the day. Like, what lace? I didn't have to pluck anything. This unit was already pre-plucked. All I did was cut my lace, laid it with my lace spray, tied it up, bada bing, bada boom. This unit is a must, let me tell you. It is a must. You gotta get this one and add it to your collection, okay? Because it is very fall. It is very fall. Like the coloring of it, super duper duper cute. It's very grown and sexy. This is a unit that you would definitely need to wear when you're going to a formal event, or if you're really trying to make a statement on somebody, okay? They're not gonna forget you this if you wear this unit. Like, they're not gonna forget you with this one. Make sure you comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Thank you, Black Hairspray, for sending me this unit. So until the next time, bye.